Day 3 of the IWC 10 focused on the theme Bridging Past and Present, Innovative Solutions, Tools, and Impactful Approaches. The plenary session started with an intervention on the role of GEF in promoting integrated approaches in transboundary water management, including examples on water-energy-food ecosystems nexus, conjunctive water management, marine spatial planning, source to sea, to foster cooperation, strengthen governance, and support sustainable and systemic practices.
That integration is crucial. Integration to tackle all sorts of environmental issues, but specifically water, which is why we're here.
3 lightning chats on the integrated programs, closely connected to international waters, explored how these programs will tackle the complexities of implementing integrated and systemic solutions, along with their current status and upcoming milestones.
The goal of the Clean and Healthy Ocean IP is to generate global environmental benefit in selected participating countries and LMEs to produce ecological, social, and economic benefits.
Private sector is key, and we will test with them a circular solution to reduce plastic. We will catalyze with them system change with the businesses, and we will work with them through an incubator.
This integrated program on blue and green islands, it's really premised on the recognition that for SIDS, the blue economy and the green economy are intractable.
A panel discussion on policy coherence and associated challenges highlighted the support by GEF and other initiatives to enhance the capacity to design, implement, and monitor coherent and integrated freshwater and marine policies.
Also, the Water Convention supports by providing a long-term platform and ensuring coherence, which can lead to GEF projects, but also sustain projects afterwards.
We need a long-term approach. We need coherency with scientists listening to you if you're governments, if you're in their negotiation.
I just want to highlight maybe 3 areas where I think science can bring some solutions, both by providing a strong science evidence, through technological advancements, and through developing frameworks for collaboration.
So the adopted text of the agreement identifies the GEF Trust Fund as part of the BB&J agreement financial mechanism. And this is the first time that the GEF International Waters Focal Area will now serve in a formal role in service to a multilateral environmental agreement.
The Innovation Marketplace provided a space for networking and sharing ideas. In the following segment, participants had the opportunity to attend 5 workshops focused on innovative tools and solutions, including sustainable fisheries, marine spatial planning, GEF contribution to SDGs, addressing nitrogen and nutrient pollution, and approaches to address climate change on shared water resources and ecosystems.
We work on the legal aspect. We share examples on how to empower communities and also how to make sure that you can have sustainable finance.
In our session, it was all about nitrogen management. It needed a holistic approach in terms of using and going through various sectors in terms of managing sustainably.
The nexus, water, energy, food and environment, it's very complex, especially in the transboundary river basins.
They showcased examples of regional partnerships, of how they are putting together different initiatives on MSP to join forces, join resources.
In the afternoon, participants engaged in 15 IW clinics, an interactive session format that optimizes knowledge and experience sharing among experts and the audience. Topics ranged from the role of the blue economy in marine conservation to the use of nature-based solutions for water security, the power of knowledge and communication, gender mainstreaming, and more.
What I take away is the importance to transform our experience into real good practice, but at the same time to do that in such a way that the knowledge can be shared.
The key takeaways is the need to really make sure that you do a proper gender analysis.
The day concluded with a gala event with traditional Uruguayan dances and a big party where participants celebrated their achievements, the power of networking and knowledge and new bonds crafted during IWC 10. Most importantly, they had a lot of fun. As day 3 came to a close, the focus remains on collaboration and innovation to bridge past successes with future. The last day of IWC 10 is about to begin.
Do I need to start over? No? But I'm thinking.
Okay. No, so we just finalized it. Do you want to say the wrap up?
Cut.